On today's video, I'm going to teach you a little bit of Stairway to Heaven, the intro, and then I'll tell you how to get access to the rest of the intro a little bit later. But first, please hit the like button as that helps the video perform well. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. We will have screenshots here on the video, but I provided a printable for you that you can download, and then I'll have a full download for everyone. Just check the links in the description box below. Okay, now that your ukulele is tuned and you're ready to go, we're gonna go to an A minor shape, and we're going to put one finger on each string of G, C, E, A. Now pick G, C, E, A. And that's already sounding like the song, right? Then we're going to move, according to the tab, it says to put our fingers on the first fret of G string and on the second fret of A, correct? And we're gonna pick those two together. That's why they're lined up on the tab. That's why they're on top of each other, because we're gonna pick both of those together. So look up really quickly. We're gonna do, that's really awesome, right? So I have one finger on each, and then I'm picking both of those together. Let's do that together 2 times. 1, 2, ready, go. And again, 1, 2, ready, go. And okay, nice. Now we have 2 more notes to go to, and that's gonna be on E and C strings, and we don't need to press anything on the fingerboard. So all of that together sounds like this. Nice. For the next part, we are already in the right position with our finger on the second fret of A, so you're gonna pick on that. And you're gonna slide to a 3 and pick both G and A. Such beautiful harmonies, right? So look up really quickly so you can watch me do it, and then we'll take turns and we'll play together. But watch me do it first. And you know how you did that E and C open string earlier? You're gonna do that again. So again, 1, 2 from the top, ready, go. Now. And by the way, if you need to slow down the video, YouTube gives you the option, depending if you're on a phone or a computer, you have the gear icon and you can slow everything down. And I'll have a play along video for this. Everything will be linked down below. Okay, let's try that again. 1 and 2 and ready from the top. Go. Then we have 3 again on A string. We're already there. And then you're gonna go back to an A minor chord shape, but you're only gonna pick on strings G and A. Okay? But instead of being at A minor, I'd like for you to also press down the other 2 fingers for D chord. That way, when you go to E, C, you're already there. So that will look like this, just that section. It's just 2 and 0 together, string E, string C, and then string A is open already. So let me play that phrase for you so you can kind of hear how it all sounds together, and then we'll do it together. I'll play first. I'm going from the top. This is D chord. Now let's go from the F chord. So we're at the F, go to an F position, pick G and A together, and then string E, C, E. So it's G and A together, E, C, A, E, C, E, my bad. And then a little bit of space, and then A, E, C. So let me play that F bar because it's a little different. Rest. And it's not really a rest, you're just letting the note ring, but I'm gonna say rest so that mentally we have a space there. Rest. And then to conclude the first line, we have G. You can strum if you like the sound of the strum. I'm just gonna pick all four strings, and then A minor. So think about the word heaven. Heaven, right there. Not singing in the right key, but just it helps us. So I'm gonna play through the whole first line, and then I'll come back and walk you through it. Now let's try it together. Go to an A minor shape and pick through each string. Here we go. A little slower. 1 and 2 and ready. Go. Now. Go to a D chord. Nice. Go to an F chord. Rest. G. A minor. Okay, so that was probably really rough. Now, I think that you should pause the video here, use the principle, and then come back so we can do another playthrough of it. Now, I do want to recommend a product that I think will make practicing for you a lot easier, and that's the Elmore Pedal. I'm gonna link it down below. So what this pedal does is you have it at your feet, and as you're watching this YouTube video or any other educational YouTube video, you see the buttons on the sides. You can use the buttons on the sides to pause. You can use them to go back a little bit, go back a lot, go forward, like if I'm rambling like right now and you want to get to the next part, you can go forward a little bit, you can go forward a lot, depending on if you do one tap or if you hold the tap. This is a very useful tool and it connects via Bluetooth. And it doesn't only have to be for music videos like this one or anything else that you're practicing. It could be if you're watching a lecture or watching anything that's entertainment wise and you just want to lean back and enjoy, put this pedal on the floor and use it. So I'm going to link it down below, but you can also find it on the website. The name is Elmore Pedal. It's a really handy tool. It just has the button on the back that turns it on, and then you'll see the light, and that's the light for you to pair it to a device like a computer, a phone, a tablet. And then once it's paired, you're good to go. The battery lasts a really long time, which is amazing. I haven't exhausted it yet, so I'm gonna link it down below. It's a really useful tool. Another really useful tool is a metronome. You can invest in one or you can just go to Google and get a metronome. The metronome will be a constant click, and you can start super slow, like let's say 40 beats per minute or something like that, and just focus on getting really nice, clear notes. I think that getting a clear note to come out each time, even if you play slowly, is more important than being able to play it fast. Okay, so commercial over. Let's play through this first line. Let's do it twice. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Now, switch chords. Nice. Go to a C chord. Nice. Go to a D. Good. Go to an F. Rest. G. A minor. Nice, nice, nice. Let's try that again. Breathe. Relax. You got this. You got this. 1 and 2 and ready, go. A minor. Switch. Go to a C. and F, rest, G, A minor G. Nice, nice. Let's do it 2 more times. I feel like we're getting somewhere with it. So let's do this. 1 and 2 and ready. Go now. Rest. Okay, let's do it 1 more time. This time I'll coach you through it. I feel like I should have coached you on that one. Bad teacher. Let me try again. I'll do better. Here we go. 1 and 2 and from the top 2. Ready, go. Switch. Nice. C, D, nice, F, rest. Finish the phrase. Whoa, nice job. Okay, relax the hand, massage the fingertips. I know with this song, my fingertips really feel the brunt of the work. Now, if you liked this lesson and you would like to continue through the Stairway to Heaven series, I've created the entire playlist for my Patreon community. I am releasing the videos a few at a time. So if you'd like to continue learning the Stairway to Heaven lesson that's on Patreon, I will add the link down below. You get the lesson, you get the printable, you get the audio tracks to practice with, and they're at different tempos so you can go slower or faster. This also helps you because you can plug it in, and as you're washing dishes or driving or anything, you can be listening to it, and that helps a ton with learning how to play something correctly. And you'll also get the play along video where it's just the score and the ukulele and no talking on my behalf and anything. It's just a straight playthrough. So like for example, today what we learned, the first line, then there's going to be a play along video of just the first line. People always ask me, well, why do you upload things onto Patreon? Why isn't everything on YouTube? And the truth is that YouTube doesn't always support its creators. Most of the time there is some kind of ad revenue to be made on YouTube, but a lot of the times it's split between Google and the owners of the music. And so it's really difficult to make a revenue or a living wage just from YouTube. But on Patreon, I try to add as much value as possible so that it's worth it for you to go to Patreon. That's why I'm providing the lessons for this, the play along videos, the music, the audio tracks. And I hope that that makes it worth it for you. And that's a way where I can continue making videos and teaching people here on YouTube and on Patreon. Throughout this video, I've been playing the new Enya Nova U Pro. This is a carbon fiber composite ukulele that comes in a tenor size. This ukulele comes with a case, a matching capo, a matching strap, replacement strings. So if you're interested in what I'm playing today, it's a really fun ukulele. I think you'll like it. I will link it down below. It's all one incredible piece and I'm really enjoying it. It's one of those ukuleles where you can get wet or you can sanitize it and you don't have to worry about any of the parts because it's carbon fiber composite. So nice. Alrighty friends, well I look forward to seeing you on Patreon where we will continue this series. And if you're not jumping over onto Patreon, then I will see you in a future YouTube video here. Subscribe and I'll catch you later. Ciao!